Today I'm installing the Steeda ProFlow cold air intake. This is a pretty simple install and it only replaces your factory tubes, not your factory air boxes. This air intake system has a dual configuration, so you can leave it closed for OEM like stealth or open for showy performance. It also has a 25% larger velocity intake tubes compared to other competitors. This kit gives an additional 13 horsepower and 11 foot-pounds of torque. Let's get it on the car and see what it sounds like. So first step is to loosen this hose clamp and pull this off slightly. Next, you'll remove this hose. Then you'll unplug the map sensor, pry this off. Now I'm going to remove the factory box cover. We had just done these Steeda filters, but now we want to do the whole kit with the tubes. Then you'll have to remove that bolt, which will allow you to pull the tube off from the housing box. And now we'll take off the air filter. Then we'll just pull off the tube. Next up, you'll remove the mass airflow sensor. The next step is to connect the air filter to the mass air meter housing. Now we're reinstalling the map sensor, and they provided screws for this part. Next up, you'll want to install the provided pieces onto the intake tube. Then you'll attach both hose clamps and we'll apply it to the mass airflow meter. Now we're going to put it on the vehicle. Okay, you'll want to make sure you get it snug on the throttle body, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. And then you'll want to secure this one. And then for this side, you'll reconnect your map sensor. Now you'll reconnect the hose and just make sure you have the longer, skinnier side out. You can choose to put this around the intake right there to close off this box completely, but we're gonna leave our box open for show purposes, so we're gonna just skip that step. Next up, you'll repeat those steps on the other side, and then we'll see how this sounds. So one of my favorite pieces about this air intake is that you can kind of hide the filter still and enclose your air intake box if you would like to do so. So that looks pretty cool. Or you can have it open like that side over there.